Are you a coffee or tea addict like me? Yung nagigising ka sa umaga para magkape? At yung parang mamamatay ka pag walang kape? Then this video is for you. Please watch this. Hey guys! Welcome to MC Memory Connect! My name is Mommy Cez. Today's vlog is just about me, and this is a new segment we will be calling Cez Convo. So Cez Convo means convo, conversation. So it's all about me and you talking about a lot of things. Okay, so in this new segment, all about motherhood and mommy tricks, tips, advices, support, whatever you want to call it. So give you a brief background about myself. I'm a mom of 3. Missy, Megan, and Misha, you see them in all of our videos and all of our vlogs. I'm an English instructor, I'm also an event planner, and currently working part-time in a Japanese franchise store that sells commodities. Okay, so yeah, anything under the sun about motherhood, mother stuff. Because as you know that kahit na mother na tayo, mommy na tayo, I still believe that we have to take good care of ourselves. That we are so busy about the household chores and all that stuff. So, at the end of the day, di lang end of the day, minsan half day pa lang, mukha na tayong losyang and all that. So, the mommies, not just mommies, also for women, most especially mothers. Mommies like me. And sana makatulong to sa inyo, sa ating lahat. So we have to help each other. You know, this is motherhood empowerment. So excited to do this with you. Have you ever thought of having your teeth whitened as well? Naisip ko siya before. Because of my love for coffee and tea, I thought I should have my teeth whitened. I saw this product and got curious about it, whether if it's legit, whether if it's effective or not, because it says it will instantly transforms your smile. It's called Smile Cosmetic. It's named Smile Cosmetic, and this is a teeth whitening pack or teeth whitening product that has 6 pieces film inside. And today we are going to try this for as day 1. It says here that Smile Cosmetic Teeth Whitening is a hydrogen peroxide free formula that's based on an innovative and animal-friendly whitening product that removes stains and safely whitens natural teeth. So, diba? Nakaka-curious siya if it's really going to work for you, but we're not gonna know if we have not tried this product. Sabi nga sa Japanese, yatte minai to wakaranai desho. So, I bought this product at Loft in Loft Kawasaki Plaza. So if you're also wanted to try this for yourself, go ahead, grab it at Loft Kawasaki Lazona Plaza on the 3rd floor. Okay, so let's try to open the product and see what's inside. There's an instruction manual. Unfortunately, it's all in Japanese, but for those of you who cannot read kanji, then I'd advise you just Google it, and you know, you can just see the instruction in English. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Which means we are going to try this product for 6 consecutive days, and we'll see each other every day until the 6th and final day to see if it's really effective for me. Before using this product, so first, number 1, we have to clean your teeth, which means you have to brush your teeth first. And maybe put on some Listerine or any mouthwash that you have at home. So if you open it, you see the film, 1 set of film. So before you start, guys, I think it's better for you to prepare your toothbrush, your mouthwash, your timer, because you're gonna be needing your timer for 3 to 5 minutes when you put the film in your teeth, and some tissue to pat your teeth. Okay. Aha, ha, agang ang. Ay, kahahang ka.
Baka maintindihan, huwag kang magsalita. Bilisan mo.
Wala naman taxi sa labas. Ba't ka ba nagmamadali, Daddy?
Ay, guys. Hanggang hard neck. Okay? Hard neck. Start. Go. Ayan. Para kang mabubulaukang. It feels weird. Parang lasang gamot. It really tastes like medicine. So, time now is 2 minutes and 38 seconds. We still have to wait for another 2.5 minutes for this to finish. So after this, guys, after 5 minutes, we'll thoroughly brush your teeth. And then we'll see later kung may nagbago ba or what. Pero, nagtataka lang ako, bakit sa front lang siya? I thought, buo, the whole teeth, like even on the sides. But to my surprise, this film is only for the front, like just the front, upper and lower teeth. Okay, 2, 1, time now! Okay, so I'm gonna brush my teeth first and I'll see you in a few. Okay guys, so now we're taking off the film. Let's see. Hey, this is how it looks. Yan. Meron pa siyang mga konting parang toothpaste na.
Hindi talaga mawawalang extra.
Parang may nagbago nga. Parang pumuti siya ng konti. Parang siyang ngayon nga toothpaste. Yan. Gitna ako tayo na. Gitna si Mami. Kita naman yung love you so much. I love you, I love you, I love you so much. Show me to give it to me, don't touch it.
Ala, paano ko matatapos ito mag-vlog?
Mami, yabay, umareru toki. Mite.
So, yun guys. Tapos na natin ilagay yung first film. For me, I think merong bago naman. Medyo nag-whiten siya ng, sabi nga dun sa explanation, for the first film daw, sabi, immediate whitening boost, and it's 1.5 shade whiter after only 1 treatment. So, 1.5 shade whiter after 1 treatment. Parang totoo siya. I'll do the before and after picture for us to find out if it's true or not. But then again, still, maganda rin naman na i-try mo siya. I-try natin yung mga ganitong products kasi it's interesting, and we didn't used to have this before, diba? So, ngayong millennials, ngayong panahon ng digital world, madami ng mga products like this that's, it's nice to try. Doesn't hurt to try anyway, right? By the way, this product cost me about yen, 1,100 or 1,200. Depende sa bibilhan mong store, but it's about like that price. It's about 600 pesos in the Philippines. So this is the Smile Cosmetic Teeth Whitening Film. Did you know that the reason why I bought this product, this ranked #1 at Cosme for teeth whitening products. So, pag bibili kayo ng mga products, make sure to check out this logo, Cosme. Kasi talagang proven and tested na siya, and they have the data that shows that this product is really ranking #1, #2, #3 on at Cosme. So, meron din siyang website for you to check it out. It's Cosme, www.cosme.net. So, yun. I hope you could try this for yourself and see it for yourself as well. And ask your husband if he noticed something new about yourself. Yeah. Okay, guys. So, we used the first film, so we still have 5 teeth whitening film left. So, we'll see you tomorrow then. Bye!